Today I want to discuss the topic of software development and how to start learning if that's your goal. Now, the general consensus, if you didn't go to college, is that you need to buy programming books or watch paid tutorials to become knowledgeable. But in my opinion, this is simply not true. First issue with this method is that books and tutorials become obsolete the moment they come out. And that's a real issue because you don't want to use legacy code. Also, they cost a lot of money. The method I recommend is not only going to be 100% free and up to date, but it also encourages real problem solving instead of blindly following tutorials. This method is to simply use the documentation. Normal human beings think about a problem they want to solve first, and then think about the tools that they can use to achieve that goal, but never the other way around, which baffles me because that's exactly what people do with programming, and that doesn't make a lot of sense to me. Either way, I want to show you a couple of examples of useful documentation in the browser, starting with Python. Then we have Rust, and that's actually my favorite, is PostgreSQL. It's more than 1,300 pages of documentation. Then we have the R language, which is used for statistics and mathematics. Then we have AWS, if you're into cloud computing. And of course we have C#, if you're developing on Microsoft Windows. And another example is JavaScript, also very well made, and it's from Mozilla. That being said, I was almost forgot what I was going to say. That being said, if you're a C programmer like me, it can be tricky because you may wonder what you can use to get started, in that there's really no official documentation available online. The good news is that documentation is all built in any Linux or BSD operating system. If you use any of those, I will show you a couple of examples. So we have a couple of main pages, as you can see. We have malloc, which is for memory allocation. We have socket. We have waitpid. Then something I don't want to forget is if you don't know if you don't know where to start, you can use the grep command. Let me show you. So you can use the grep command inside the USR include directory. Let me show you an example. Say I want to look up the word, I don't know, suck in this directory, just make it fun. You see there are a couple of results, and you will have all the other files needed to build your programs. You can also use the apropos command, and this one you can use, for example, you can use, what should I look up? Probably socket, I don't know, you have many options. Or you can, I don't know, kernel, you will have many options. Actually, it can be a lot of fun searching for random keywords, not knowing what will come up or not. And yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching.